Say hi, Mia.
Since we put these on your PlayStation, don't have
Say hi, Oranges.
Say hi, Naya.
Hi.
Wait.
Hi. I never meet you before.
Say hi.
It's my job, but I can't right now.
Say hi, I'm Kanaya.
I can't.
Say I'm Kanaya.
Bye. That was Kanaya.
She's a little too bratty. She's my little cousin. She's little. How old are you, Naya?
He knows when she said that. I cursed me.
She's Fee. How old are you?
7.
Say funny.
7. I'm 7.
What's your name?
Mia.
Oh yeah, why did I remember that? She's my little sister. I forgot. I'm sorry. My name is Ryan. I'm 14.
No.
Yeah, he wishes.
He's 9.
Well, I am 10.
The one in there is 12.
My douchebag brother's 12. He don't like anyone. Please watch Ashley Niddles and Mia Edmister's YouTube posts and Tyler Edmister's. Well, this was my very first post, and I didn't really know what to do, so I thought I'd introduce you to everyone, and my brothers and cousins and stuff. So I was like, if you know, remember you do?
It's just for my phone. It's not a channel.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Well, anyways, Naya, Bug, come here. Show them some of your babies.
They're so gay, right?
It's for Naya.
Make another video.
Naya's gonna say, "Look, this is my baby." Say, "Look, this is my baby."
It's not my baby.
Okay, let me do it. I am doing some baby impressions. Wait, maybe I'm gonna make the baby talk on YouTube.
What's it, Brayden, to make it even gayer?
Well, I'm gonna go get me a bear or something, cause Naya won't let me use her babies.
A bear?
Yeah, a bear, a ladybug. Hello. I'm an awesome robot.
I'm an awesome robot. I shoot everyone. I will not kill you. But if you try to kill me, I will kill you. I will kill you.
Puppy sounds. I love my bray.
Okay.
Well, that was my dog impressions. My brother's a douche. Say happy birthday to this balloon! Happy birthday, balloon. Birthday, balloon. So, what else do you see? Have any of you ever seen Despicable Me? If you have, you should remember this. It's so fluffy! It's the unicorn that the little girl ends up getting because the guy ends up winning contest. Remember him? Yeah? Well, I'll do something for him. got you. Ah! 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 You wanna go? You wanna go? You wanna go? Ah! 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 You wanna go? You wanna go? You wanna go? Let's go. Let's go.